equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And today I have something really fun that I want to share with you because it is Christmas time or holiday time, however you want to say it. I like to say Christmas time because I like Christmas. But sometimes during the holidays, it can be really challenging to find something that would be a really nice gift, especially for someone if they have a horse, because I think we all know that anytime horse is associated with any type of product, it's really expensive. But I found an alternative, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm pretty sure you guys all know that I love the dollar store. So I thought it would be fun to go to the dollar store and put together a gift basket that was geared towards equestrians. So like if you have a friend that you're looking for a gift to get, or maybe for your trainer and you don't know what to get them, this might be a good option. So how about we go through and look at everything that is in this gift basket. All right, so for starters, the basket itself, it's just a big green basket. I thought it was pretty. That was $1. Everything that I'm going to show you was $1. And the bow on the front of the basket was $1. So I thought this was really pretty. It is a photo frame and it has some stars in it. So you can put 2 pictures of their horse or a picture of them and their horse in the photo frame, or you can just leave it empty and let them decide what they want to put in it. You could get a new brush. This is a really nice brush. It's a cushion brush. It's kind of like a paddle brush. And the reason I like this brush so much is the teeth go all the way down into the rubber portion of the brush. And I kind of tested it out to make sure that it was secure so that when you're brushing a horse's mane or tail, the whole base of it isn't going to come out. And this keeps getting in my face, so we're going to show you this one next. So this is probably one of my favorite things to get at the dollar store, and it's an over-the-door hanger, and it has 6 different hooks. These hooks are so helpful. I use them in my tack room for halters or lead ropes or girths. Even my ear bonnet collection now resides on a couple of these. Because they're so affordable, I can afford to buy lots of them at the dollar store. And they also had some really cute patterned socks. So this was 2 pair of socks. So basically they were 50 cents each, and they're really nice. They're really soft, but they're thick too. And one has a really cute dog print, and one just has some polka dots on it. But those were really cute. And there are so many different companies that are making boot socks nowadays, but they can be pretty expensive. And I found these they look like they have little Starbucks cups on them, but again, a pair of tall boot socks from the dollar store. I don't know how long they'll last, but they seem like they're pretty substantial. And how about wet wipes? This is a little package of wet wipes, but it has a resealable top. And it comes with 24 wet wipes. And this is a pack of 72 wet wipes. I use these all the time in the barn, either for myself or for the horses. They are so handy to have. I think I'm going to have to do a video on the different uses for wet wipes in the barn. But this is an excellent gift idea. I would be happy if I got wet wipes. You could put some hair clips in. These are great for people as well as horses. If you're braiding your horse's mane, it helps to keep the mane out of the way when you're braiding. So some hair clips, a good idea. And you can even put in a bottle of dish liquid. This is Dawn Platinum, and you don't have to use very much of it. It works fantastic for cleaning water tanks, water buckets, as well as feed buckets and feed scoops too. You could throw in some hair ties. And you don't even have to make horse treats or buy them. You can just get a couple packages of Starlight Mints. And you can throw in a bottle of shampoo and conditioner. Some people may not like to use people shampoo and conditioner on their horses, but I've never had an issue with it. And a 32-ounce bottle of shampoo will last a very long time for my horses. Same with the conditioner. And the shampoo and conditioner I got is by Silkians. And it's a hydrating shampoo, so it should be adding a little bit more moisture. and then a damage repair conditioner, which means it's more conditioning, and this is really great to use on your horse's tails. Now again, some people might say, oh, you can't use people conditioner or shampoo on horses. I've done it and I haven't had any ill effects, so I think it's a very affordable and budget-friendly way to get shampoo and conditioner for your horse. And I thought this was pretty, a scarf. This says it's a men's scarf, but it's nice to have a scarf in the barn, don't you think? And to go with the scarf, you could get a nice pair of gloves. These say they're thermal gloves, and they're a little bit thicker than the magic gloves that you can usually find at the dollar store. I'm always losing gloves, so it's nice to have an extra pair. And that would make a very thoughtful gift for an equestrian. And just like wet wipes, you can never have enough towels in the barn. So this is a pack of 2 utility towels, which work great. I use these in the barn all the time. You can use them for the horses themselves, or you can use it for cleaning tack, cleaning out buckets, things like that. And then they also had this super soft microfiber towel, and it really is soft. This would make a great rub rag for, like, if you're making a show ring kit, or if you were putting together a grooming kit, and that is actually a pretty good size microfiber towel. So all of those things, $21, including the basket and the bow. That's a pretty neat gift. What do you think? That is pretty neat, don't you think? And everything in this gift basket, including the basket itself and the bow on the front, everything was $21. So this is kind of a gift that keeps on giving. You have tons of different products. You don't necessarily have to choose the things that I chose. Just go to the dollar store and look around. You'll be surprised at what you can find. But find 15 or 20 different things, put them in a basket, and then you have a very thoughtful and personalized gift for your favorite equestrian. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other DIY projects, product reviews, and horse-related videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.